हेलो फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज ड्रीम फिट 2020 एंड आप देख रहे हैं गेट स्टीपर 8 वीक्स मसल बिल्डिंग एंड स्ट्रेंथनिंग प्रोग्राम. So our first workout, Monday first workout is regular push-up. Push-ups are a fast and effective exercise for building strength, and it is targeted the triceps, pectoral muscles and shoulders. When done with proper form, they can also strengthen the lower back and core. Get ready for second exercise, which is push-ups, shoulder tap. Make your form proper. Shoulder tap push-up is a full body strength move that focuses on your arms and chest while also strengthening your core. The key to this is to pull your belly in extra tight as your hand taps the opposite shoulder. Yes, come on, push yourself. This is upper body strengthening program. Very good. Come on. Yes. Completed. Get ready for next exercise, which is mountain climber. Mountain climber works several different muscles including the shoulder, hamstring, core, triceps, quads and core. Mountain climbers are great for building cardio endurance, core strength. You work several different muscle groups with mountain climbers. Next exercise, elbow plank. Planks are great for working the abs, and the elbow plank is harder on the abs than the traditional plank in push-up position. Contract your abdominals to keep yourself up and prevent your booty from sticking up. Keep your back flat, don't let it drop or you will be defeating the purpose. Hold as long as you can. Aim for 20 to 30 seconds in the beginning and work your way up to 1 minute. Next exercise is inchworm walk and push-ups. The inchworm exercise is often a part of high-intensity interval training workout. As you step your hands forward away from your feet, your shoulder, triceps, chest and eventually your abdominal, the stabilizing muscles of your shoulders and hips, your glutes and your quadriceps all engage to support your body weight as you enter the plank. It helps to increase the strength and flexibility in the body. This exercise requires no equipment and use the body weight to make the exercise more effective. It works on the core, arms, upper back and chest. This is the best workout for all over the body, especially for upper body. So come on guys, push yourself. Yes. Well done. You can do it, come on. Monday's last workout is bicycle crunches. The rotation activates your obliques, the paddling of your legs stimulates the hips. The bicycle crunch builds a string core and develop your abdominal muscles so they are more visible. Having a strong core protects your spine and allows you to become stronger in other lifts and athletic activities. Bicycle crunches is a great home workout. It's very good workout for obliques. Tuesday's workout. So start your first workout. First exercise is diamond push-ups. The diamond push-up is an pretty advanced form of the classic exercise. It increased upper body strength, increased arm size and strength, increased shoulder size and strength, increased core strength and stability. You place your hand in a diamond shape, lower yourself to the ground and push back up. This targets your chest as well as your abs. Definitely your arms will engage in this exercise. Come on, very good. Next exercise is triceps dips on chair or bench. Triceps dips, of course, work all three muscles of your triceps, but They also tone your entire upper body and strengthen your core. So, if you want to have a strong defined arm, then triceps dips are for you only. Come on. Make sure your form should be proper, it should be parallel to the chair. Next exercise is full arm rotation or arm circle. This exercise targets your shoulder, triceps, back, and biceps. During arm circle or arm rotation, you engage in a dynamic stretch, which means that you are stretching as you are moving. In addition to warming up your shoulder joints, arm circles increases circulation to your arms, fingers, and shoulders. This is very good exercise for arms. Here we are engaging both muscle triceps and biceps together. Make sure you have to do 30-second clockwise direction and 30-second for anti-clockwise direction. Next exercise is jumping jack. Jumping jacks are an efficient total body workout that you can do almost anywhere. This exercise is part of what's called polymetric or jump training. Polymetric is a combination of aerobic exercise and resistance work. This type of exercise works your heart, lungs and muscles at the same time. Jumping jack work your glutes, quadriceps, hip flexors, your abdominal. Tuesday, last exercise is leg raises. Leg raises are a simple and effective move to target your abs and build your core strength. Unlike crunches, leg raises target your lower stomach muscles, which can be tricky to tone up. It helps to lose weight from the legs and lower abdomen, tones strengthen muscles in your abdomen and legs, and effective exercise for lower abs. It can strengthen the hamstring, calf muscles, and glute. It is a great exercise that can be done even while lying down in bed. Come on, lift your leg. Yes, feel your burn. It's very good exercise for lower abs. Get steeper. Wednesday first workout is Hindu push-up. Hindu push-up is an incredible exercise to develop stronger shoulder, pectoral, arms, core, and spine. As you move from the downward dog position to upward dog position, you are also lubricating your joints. Hindu push-up opens up your pectoral muscles, which is major muscle of chest, erector spine, hip joints. Yes, well done. Next exercise is decline push-up. The decline push-up is an advanced upper body exercise that targets the muscles of the chest, shoulders, back, and arms. In addition, maintaining the proper rigid body position requires a fair amount of strength and stability through the entire core, legs, and back. Exercise is lateral plank walk. The lateral plank walk is a full body exercise. The main muscle group that it works are your deltoids, biceps, triceps, obliques, abdominals, lat dorsi. The chest muscles worked are the pectorals major. This is very good exercise. It's a form of plank. It's a different variation. Next exercise is butterfly dips. This is a multitasking dip variation. It is an upper body blaster that also tones your inner thigh and glute. It targets your triceps, biceps, and your thigh muscle. Next exercise is side plank. The side plank is another great exercise that can be used to loose the love handles. To perform this exercise, start by laying on your right side on an exercise or yoga mat. Make sure your legs are extended completely out to the side. Rest your right elbow on the ground with your forearm on the ground. You have to perform both the side. The goal should be to hold for 60 seconds, 30 seconds each side. High knees. High knees are a cardio-intensive exercise performed at a fast pace. It engages your core, strengthens all the muscles in your legs, get your heart rate up and improve momentum, coordination and flexibility. Get Steeper Thursday workout. Our first workout is regular push-ups or traditional push-up. Traditional push-ups are beneficial for building upper body strength. They work the triceps, pectoral muscles and shoulders. When done with proper form, they can also strengthen the lower back and core by engaging the abdominal muscles. Push-ups are a fast and effective exercise for building strength. This is the best exercise for upper body strength. Reverse plank. Like all plank variation, the reverse plank is an excellent way to strengthen your core. Keep your entire body strong and form a straight line from your head to your heels. Squeeze your core and try to pull your belly button back toward your spine. Hold the position for up to 30 seconds. If your hip begins to sag or drop, lower yourself back to the floor. It's especially good for the muscles in your lower back, your hamstring and your glutes. Exercises, push-up and rotation. It is a functional exercise performed by pushing and pulling plus rotation, motions that represent two of the pillars of fundamental human movement. While the pushing and pulling action allows aligning the movement toward the torso and the pushing away from it. The rotation motion provides for a more horizontally based movement, generating strength and transfer of the focus from the upper body to the lower body. Next exercise is triceps dips on chair or bench. These bench dips work the same muscles as a regular dip with the primary emphasis on your triceps and secondary involvement from your deltoids, pecs, rhomboids and lats. Bench dips are a great addition to any workout, so don't stop doing them after 6 to 8 weeks. If you want your triceps to bulk up, start doing your bench dips often. Next exercise is mountain climbers. It is a great for building cardio endurance and core strength. You work several different muscle groups with mountain climber. It's almost like getting a total body workout with just one exercise because it's a cardio exercise. Next exercise is Spider-Man push-ups. As with most form of push-ups, a Spider-Man push-ups mainly works your pectoral muscles, your deltoids and your triceps. It is an excellent form of upper body workout. It also can engage your core muscles and helps to strengthen them. Friday's workout. First workout is jumping jack. It can help in building muscle strength effectively. This stands true for the muscles which are engaged in doing jumping jacks like the calves, hip abductors, core muscles, abs, lower back muscles and shoulder abductor. This is the reason why many high intensity interval routines include jumping jacks. Next exercise is diamond push-ups. The diamond push-ups works the triceps, the chest muscles, particularly the pec major and the anterior deltoids, the rectus abdominis, obliques, glutes and quadriceps act as stabilizer to keep your body in straight line. The diamond push-up is a pretty advanced form of the classic exercise. It is commonly used as warm-up in the army. You place your hand in a diamond shape, lower yourself to the ground and push back up. This targets your chest as well as your abs. Next exercise is arm rotation or arm circle. It involves extending your arms to the sides and drawing small circle in the air with your hands. This exercise targets your shoulders, triceps, back, and biceps. During arm circle or arm rotation, you engage in a dynamic stretch, which means that you are stretching as you are moving, in addition to warming up your shoulder joint. Arm circles increase circulation to your arm, finger, and shoulders. Try to complete 30 seconds in clockwise direction and 30 seconds for anti-clockwise direction. Next exercise is Atlas push-up. Atlas push-ups have a higher range of shoulder movement compared to the traditional push-up. The great range of motion makes the exercise more challenging and efficient than the traditional push-up. It helps you to increase your functional strength. Functional strength will make everyday activities easier for you to perform. When you move into the push-up position, squeeze your core and glutes and create a straight line from head to heel. Next exercise is plank hip dips. It's basically side plank hip dips. Start in a traditional side plank position. Raise your top arm straight above you or keep your top hand on your top hip. Drop your hips until they come into contact with the ground. Then return to the start position. Repeat for 10 to 15 reps and then switch to the other side. Next exercise is full arm plank, the mother of all planks. The traditional plank is the basic starting position for all the other variations. While it is not as challenging as elbow plank, it is a great option for beginners or those looking to perfect their form. So friend, this is Get Steeper 8 weeks muscle building and strengthening program. Stay tuned with me. Let's get fit together. Tab tak.
Stay healthy, stay happy and follow my mantra. Chust, durust and tandurust. Bye bye.